Aries 2020 monthly horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Aries horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 will be an excellent time for the Arians to start a new venture. February 2020 is an excellent month to build professional and personal relationships. March 2020 will be a motivating month, and you will have the energy to do the most difficult tasks. April 2020 is the best time to use your energy for constructive ideas. May 2020 is when you have to be careful not to get involved in ambitious projects. June 2020 is the period when you need to be persistent and have the patience for the tough times to pass. July 2020 is the month when helping others will bring you joy and happiness. August 2020 might bring some confusion in different aspects of your life. September 2020 brings with it interest in spiritual awakening for the Aries zodiac sign. October 2020 is when you will be busy with multiple things happening in your life. November 2020 is a month when you will need to go slow so that you don't incur losses. December 2020 will be a good month for the Aries, and you will feel good helping others too. To conclude, Aries yearly 2020 horoscope predicts that it's all up to you when it comes to how you live your life this year. The more new things that you try and new people you meet, the more fun you will have this year. So go out and do whatever you need to do to be happy in 2020.